Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm making little thank you cards for my Casey and Pracy members. It's just a plain white copy paper and I attached a little baby breath. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. A little baby breath and wrapped it in twine. Okay, so these are the baby breath flowers. I actually got them from our senior banquet that we had last week. It was part of decorations. Tape to attach the baby breath to the paper, and it's just a regular just copy paper. And then I use my trusty Muji pen, .38 all the way, scissors, and the twine.